In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify colors within an image using GIMP, a powerful open source image editing tool. This guide will walk you through a simple and effective way to change the colors of a selected area in your image, allowing you to add that personal touch or enhance your design precisely as you envision it. First, open up GIMP on your computer. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. It's user-friendly, and once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are virtually endless. Once your GIMP application is open, you'll be able to see your image in the workspace, which is where all the magic happens. Now, to kick off the editing process, you want to look up to the top menu and find the option labeled Layer. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select New Layer. This step is essential because creating a new layer allows you to work on a separate sheet, which won't affect your original image. It's always a good practice to work on layers in image editing to keep your work organized and reversible. Next, we'll move into the selection phase. Here, you'll want to use the Free Select tool, which gives you the freedom to define the area that you want to alter. Once you've selected this tool, carefully outline the specific part of your image where you intend to change the colors. Precision here is key, so take your time to accurately encompass just the area you want to modify. Once you have your area selected, it's time to color it. Go ahead and click on the Gradient or Bucket Fill tool. These tools are your best friends when it comes to applying new colors to your selected area. Select the color you desire from the palette. Now simply click on your selected area with your color choice, and you'll see it start to transform. Once the new color is applied, there's one final tweak to enhance the integration of this new color with your image. Look to the bottom right corner of GIMP where you'll find the Mode option. Change this mode to HSL Color. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness, which controls the overall look of your color blend. Using HSL Color mode will allow for a more seamless and natural-looking color change, making it appear as though it was always part of the image. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you're now able to dynamically change the colors in your images using GIMP. Whether you're looking to enhance a photo, create distinct art, or just play around with some creative ideas, this process is both easy and effective. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!